So things have changed quite a bit in the last 5 years or so, and I would say for the better when it comes to how Arizona and America as a whole is handling the prosecution of drug offenses. Um, I, I think, and this is not based on any scientific research, that the majority of people, maybe the vast majority of people, think that drug treatment would be a better and more effective solution to the drug problem than jail and incarceration. And so today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the circumstances under which somebody might find that the state agrees, that the prosecutor agrees, that you've been charged with a felony, which it's still felonies, most of this stuff, for possessing pills or possessing cocaine, but you're going to get some treatment and what that looks like. And because it's different in every court, I'm going to talk about primarily Maricopa County Superior Court and the Maricopa County Attorney's Office and what they're doing today. Now, again, this is 2023 and things are always changing. And so someone may watch this video in a few years, it may be entirely different. So don't hold me to it. But today, if somebody's charged with possession, simple possession, okay, not possession for sale, of really any drug, save for marijuana, which they don't file charges on for obvious reasons, they're probably going to be offered a chance to participate in diversion. What is diversion? Diversion is where you are, let's say you've got no criminal history or a little bit of a criminal history, but you otherwise qualify for a program to take counseling. The state files what's called a motion to suspend prosecution. So they basically call a timeout on the case for up to 2 years. And you or your loved one, whoever you're watching this for, calls the diversion program. Right now it's called SAGE. And SAGE is a counseling program in Arizona, and they're the only game in town for whatever reason with the courts right now in Phoenix at least. And so you're going to call SAGE, you're going to set up an intake, and you're gonna drug test, and you're going to do some counseling, and if you succeed, and frankly it's not that hard if you're really getting clean and trying. If you succeed, your case is going to be dismissed. You're never going to go back to court. You're not going to have a conviction on your record. And it used to be the case when I was doing this 15 years ago, they were offering this sort of thing 15 years ago, 13 years ago. It used to be the case that if you screwed up once, you were kind of out of there. I've seen a lot more leeway recently with this stuff. What we don't see yet is sort of an understanding that most people selling drugs are also drug addicts and also need treatment. And so I'm not seeing participation in these programs for street level dealers, which I don't think anybody chooses to go sell 3 pills here and there. I think most of those people are supporting their addiction. But that's hopefully the next page. There are some things developing now with respect to fentanyl, which is understandable because it is, killing people, that I'm concerned are going to set us back in terms of tough on crime policies that we sort of know don't work. So my hope is that with some of the education and some of the public opinion that's sort of turned over the last 5 or 10 years, the way we address all of these things, including the really dangerous ones, changes for the better. So I hope that information helps you, and I hope if you have questions, you feel free to call our office. Thanks.